If you got this camera and you want to remove that stupid annoying sound, what you gotta do is unplug this little thing, that's this one right here, the one that's blue, red, yellow, black, and red. And it will also let you look at your camera without having to be connected to the Wi-Fi. You guys are welcome. But yeah, I was really annoyed by this camera, but I think I fixed the problem just by taking that out. So just unscrew it and take those cables out.